I appreciate Kim more, and a background story nung nagsushoot kami dun sa bahay niya. We were shooting in an area that's not as well off. But yung ginawa ni Kim, she's just giving out 1,000 pesos. She's giving so much money.
Kanino?
Sa mga tao na dun sa area, she was just giving out money to help the people in the area. And I just like, parang, grabe yung puso ni Kim. I just appreciated her more. I want to let people know, yun ang ginawa niya. I'm sure she doesn't want to share that, but nakita ko yung ginawa niya. She was giving out money to people na nangangailangan dun sa area. And I was such a nice thing na nakita ko na ginawa ni Kim. I thought it was a really nice thing that she did. So, mas lalo ko na-appreciate si Kim Chiu because of nakita yung ginawa niya. And that's all. But in the whole cast, like, it was a great experience with si Direk Jojo and yung mga ibang directors. It was just a great experience. And I felt so blessed to be part of this project. It was a lot of fun.
It's a great memory para kay Sam eh. Kim! Sahod na kami lahat. Hindi, sumasahod kami, hindi pa ikaw. Sumasahod lang kami ng ganun. Care
Hindi
to...
mo na kailangan